to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, Minimal Lux. My name is Glenn. Today's video is another unboxing. It is from a Paris-based leather goods company. The brand is Letanneur, and this is my first ever purchase from them. The package was directly shipped to me from, I believe, just outside Lyon, France, and it took 3 to 4 days, which was pretty fast. I paid a total of $300, which already included the tax, and shipping by FedEx was free. The box is pretty big. Just easy. There you go. This is the receipt. Let's put it there. And these last couple of months I've been wanting a nice canvas tote bag. Something different, something not as popular as Louis Vuitton Neverfull or the Goyard Saint Louis. It seems that everywhere I go I would see either a Neverfull or a Saint Louis, and I was looking for something at a lower price point than those two luxury bags. Luckily, I found this particular brand and this bag. There's a small, very minimal branding on top of the bag. One feature of this bag that really helped me with my decision to purchase it is because of the zipper closure. And also included is a removable pouch that's in the same canvas material as the bag. Inside is in this nice blue lining, fabric lining. This is secure. The Monogram Canvas features the shades of dark brown, light brown, chalk, black, and blue. Now let me show you the dimensions of the bag. The bottom width is about 11.5 inches. The top width of the bag, if I flatten it out like this, it measures about 15 inches. The height of the bag is about 9.5 inches. The depth of the bag is about 5 inches. I believe the size of this tote bag is somewhere in between the Neverfull PM and the Neverfull MM. Not too big to take as a daily errand bag, and not too small to take with you to work. Yeah, I'll just try it out and see what fits. Let's start with my iPad. It's a regular size iPad. I've had for years. I'll put it in the back. This is my Longchamp cosmetic case. The Goyard nylon one. This is my LV mini pochette. My LV, the CP coin purse. I believe that's the name. I have a pack of wipes in the bag. I have my reading glass, my sunglasses, hand sanitizer, my LV mini, a small agenda, this is the Longchamp card case, and this is my Longchamp coin purse. Forgot to put some of it here. I can put my card case in here. And then I almost forgot my pochette clay, my key case from LV. And it has still some space for like receipts and whatnot. But for now, that's good enough. Okay, and then I'll put it iPad, and as you can see, it all fits nicely in there. Plus the pouch that it came with.